Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. So if you're doing it on the desktop browser, click on My Assets, click on Cash, click on Withdraw Cash, and you want to preview, for example, where you're actually withdrawing to. For example, if it's your bank account, if that is okay, what you're going to do is click on Preview, then click on Withdraw Cash now. And it's the same process, guys. So for your mobile app, choose Transfer, choose Withdraw Cash, enter the amount you actually want to withdraw, okay? And you can also withdraw the maximum amount if you want to do that. And then you're going to confirm the selection for withdraw and transfer to. So in the transfer to section, you're going to choose your bank account. Usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Then you can go ahead and confirm and click on withdraw cash. Now, it's really that easy and simple, guys. And if your bank account details are not already added, you can add that as a payment method when you're withdrawing. You could click on transfer to. You can add your account number and other details associated with that transaction. Okay, so I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.